This is a series taking a deeper dive into Python, mock, patch, and monkeypatch. A repo is available and the link is down below, where we have a number of different examples. And I basically used PyBoxen and Rich to produce nice output. We go through looking at what's happening with sys modules and globals when we run a module. We're going to look at some different aspects in the fundamentals of adding methods, our mock tests. We'll create our own version of a patch, and we'll look at a more complex example with requests, splitting them up into different files to see where patch actually needs to be referenced. We will also have a look at the mock Py source code and actually have a look deep within it to see what's going on and why we can learn a little bit more about mock. And I've got a copy of the file to archive it in time. And we'll look at various points in that file to see where things like magic mock, start, stop, patch, mock open all occur, so we can learn more about it. And further down, we have a section with a number of different examples. We're using PyTest. We'll just set up PyTest, but using the file system, mocking DBs, various different forms of patching. A lot of these are taken from either courses or my own work or from YouTube, and I'll have links where it's better explained by other people. So in the repo, for example, you can see all the information, got it all in here. And usually I will have some notes in there as well, like if any command lines that we need to run. We're just going to install basic PyTest, and the only requirements will be PyTest, Rich for console outputting, PyBoxen, and requests. So this is just an introductory to the series. The repo is available in the links below, and it may be slightly different as to the time of recording, but each video will have the right reference to the right section. So that's introduction to Python, mock, patch, and monkeypatch, a deep dive. Cut.